Jet Airways is one stock that was in focus today. In fact, the stock tanked as much as 6% after the airline missed a loan repayment due to liquidity issues. This, remember, is the first time that the cash-strapped airline has defaulted on a debt repayment. Pranay Jain is joining in with more details. Pranay, give us the details, and what is it that Jet Airways is planning to do from here on to ensure that there is no cash mismanagement or mismatch that takes place in the future?
The stock of Jet Airways cracked nearly 6% in trade today. The market was weak, but the reasons for Jet were special, that it defaulted on its interest and principal payment to the bank consortium that was led by SBI. This does come as a bit of a surprise, while everybody knows that the company has been facing severe cash crunch and is ridden with a lot of other problems as well. But the fact that it could not pay up these dues, which were due till December 31st, has led to a downgrade on its long-term and the short-term borrowing profile. So ICRA has now cut its rating to D on both the fronts from the earlier C, and therefore in a weak market, Jet was amongst the top losers on the small cap index. As we head into the results, there are a couple of factors positive for them, that this is a favorable season in terms of occupancy as well as rates. Also, you've seen in the last 2 months that the ADF prices have been slashed by 13% and very recently another 15%. But none of these positives actually helped Jet, and clearly the airline hasn't gotten off to a flying start despite some of the tailwinds benefiting the sector.
The stock of Jet Airways, meanwhile, down by over 7% in trade. This revelation by Jet Airways to the stock exchanges also has the street worried that is it just a matter of time, if not days, that Jet Airways is tracked to the NCLT. What about the pledge shares of the promoters too? Is that going to be invoked anytime soon?